Hello and welcome to Everyday English AI. Today we are exploring a very important question. Is AI taking jobs away, or is it creating new ones? In 2025, this is not just a future question. It's something happening right now. AI is already changing how we work, what jobs are needed, and how people prepare for the future. So today, we'll break down the topic in simple English. You'll learn about jobs AI may replace, jobs AI can create, skills that are in demand, challenges in the job market, and what you can do to stay ready. Let's begin. Section 1. Why is AI and jobs such a big topic in 2025? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a powerful tool. It can learn from data, solve problems, and help people work faster. In 2025, AI is being used in offices, hospitals, schools, factories, and even farms. A global survey shows that 69% of tech leaders plan to hire more people because of AI. Why more people? Because AI creates new tasks that still need human thinking, creativity, and decision-making. But there's another side to the story. Big companies like Amazon have warned that many white-collar jobs may be lost or reduced. White jobs are office jobs like customer service, data entry, or assistant roles. So the big question is AI taking jobs away? Or is it changing the kind of work people do? Let's look deeper. Section 2. What jobs might AI replace? AI is very good at doing repetitive tasks. Repetitive means the same task is done again and again. In the same way, here are some jobs that AI may replace in the future. Data entry, typing numbers or details into a system. Cashiers, scanning and checking out items in a store. Customer service agents, answering simple questions through phone or chat. Office assistants, writing basic reports, summaries, or emails. Delivery drivers. In some places, self-driving vehicles are already being tested. Why is AI good at these? Because it can work 24 hours a day. It doesn't get tired, and it learns quickly from big sets of information. This change is called job automation. Automation means machines or software do the job instead of a person. But remember, automation does not mean all jobs will disappear. It means that many jobs will change, and some tasks will move from humans to machines. Section 3. What jobs is AI creating? Now for the good news. While AI may take over some jobs, it is also creating new roles, jobs that didn't exist just 10 years ago. Here are some new jobs in the AI world. AI engineers. They build the software and systems behind AI tools. Prompt engineers. They write smart and clear instructions for AI models. AI ethics experts. They make sure AI is fair, safe, and used responsibly. Data curators. They collect and organize information for AI to learn from AI trainers. They help AI systems improve by reviewing answers or actions. You don't need to be a coder to work with AI. There are non-technical jobs too. Graphic designers using AI to create images faster. Teachers using AI to explain lessons in new ways. Writers using AI to brainstorm or edit content. Marketing teams using AI to write ads or schedule posts. So if you learn how to use AI tools, you can find many new opportunities. Section 4. How does AI change pay and skills? Workers who learn AI skills are in high demand. Studies show that people with AI experience can earn up to 56% more than others. This is called a wage premium, which means you earn more money because you have special skills. Also, companies using AI are becoming more productive. Productivity means getting more done in less time. But here's the challenge. The skills needed for jobs are changing very fast. One report says that in AI-powered workplaces, job skills change 66% faster than before. So, to stay ready, workers must learn new skills often. This is called upskilling, learning new things, so your skills stay useful. Section 5. What are the challenges of AI and work? Let's be honest. AI brings new problems to dot. Challenge 1. Job loss. Some people may lose their jobs and may not have the right skills to find a new one quickly. Challenge 2. Entry-level jobs disappearing. New workers, especially young people, may find it harder to get their first job because AI is doing simple tasks. They usually start with challenge 3, deskilling. When people rely too much on AI, they may forget how to do things themselves. For example, if AI always writes for you, your writing skills may get weaker. Challenge for opportunity gap. Not everyone has access to the internet or good training. Some people live in places where learning about AI is difficult. This creates a gap between people who can grow and those who are left behind. That's why it's important to make AI education fair and open for all. Section 6. What can you do to prepare for the future? Here are 4 simple things you can start doing today. 1. Learn AI basics. Try tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, or image generators. Learn how they work. Just experiment. To work with AI, not against it. Practice prompt writing. Try using AI for your homework, your job, or your creative projects. 3. Build skills that AI cannot replace. These include creativity, empathy, communication, teamwork, leadership, and emotional intelligence. 4. Keep learning. Watch videos. Take short online courses. Join free communities. Try new tools. Often, the people who do well in the future are not the smartest. They are the ones who stay open, curious, and willing to learn. Section 7. Vocabulary. Review. Let's review the important words from today's lesson. Repeat after me. Displacement. Losing a job because the role is no longer needed. Upskill. To learn new skills to stay ready for the future. Automation. When machines do work that people used to do. Prompt a smart instruction or question given to an AI. Deskilling. Losing your ability or knowledge because a machine does it for you. Opportunity gap. The difference between people who can access tools and learning and those who cannot. Wage premium. The extra money you earn because you have in-demand skills. Artificial intelligence is not just an idea from the future. It is already here, and it is changing jobs, work, and learning all around the world. But this is not something to fear. It is something to understand and to prepare for. If you learn how to work with AI and keep growing your skills, you will have many great opportunities in the future. Thank you for learning with Everyday English AI. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and tell us in the comments what new skill do you want to learn to get ready for the future of work. See you next time.